Good morning, children. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to revise from the English Bal Bharti, chapter number 1, A Happy Song, and chapter number 2, On Nature. Okay, let's revise the poem that I have taught you all. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Tap, tap, tap your feet together. Walk, walk, walk around together. Jump, jump, jump around together. Then we'll also sing the second part of the song. Wave, wave, wave your hands together. Touch, touch, touch your toes together. Turn, turn, turn around together. So that was the happy song. After that we did a few words. I don't know if you all remember or no. The words were clap, C-L-A-P. Then we have feet, F-E-E-T, feet. Then we have jump, J-U-M-P. Then we have hands, H-A-N-D-S. Then we have walk, W-A-L-K. Then we have together, T-O-G-E-T-E-R, together. Tap, T-A-P. Your, Y-O-U-R. Around, A-R-O-U-N-D. These were the words from A Happy Song. Okay. Then we'll go to the second one where the chapter is on nature. I don't know if you all remember the poem, but you all need to revise the poem. So let's revise it. Nature is might. Nature is strong. Nature is beauty. Nature is moody. Nature is smart. Nature is blue. Nature is green. Nature is true. Nature is you. Nature is me. Nature will forever be free. And the words out here were nature, N-A-T-U-R-E, might, M-I-G-H-T, strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, beauty, B-E-A-U-T-Y, moody, M-O-O-D-Y, smart, S-M-A-R-T, smart, blue, B-L-U-E, blue, green, G-R-E-E-N, green, true, T-R-U-E, true, ever, E-V-E-R, ever, and free, F-R-E-E, free. Nature, might, strong, beauty, moody, smart, blue, green, true, ever, and free. These are the words that were there in the second chapter. Now I had told you all to describe the things that you see in the picture. What all things can we see in the picture? We can see sun, clouds, rainbow, birds, trees, river, plants, trees, flowers, and a blue color sky. These are the things that we can see. But we don't need to only see the things, we need to describe. हर चीज का एक description चाहिए. जैसे the trunk of the tree is brown, The leaves of the tree are green. The mountains have a small green grass all over. Then the river is flowing besides the tree. So I want you all to describe. Tell about the following things. आप ट्री के बारे में क्या बोल सकते हो? Now in this time, I want you all to tell me in detail. You can talk about any tree which you want. Maybe it's a banyan tree or coconut tree. Any tree you can talk about. Then flower. You can talk about any flower. A rose, a lotus, any flower that you want to talk about. You can talk about that. Then there is a bird. You can talk about crow. You can talk about pigeon. You can talk about eagle. Remember, we have learnt about all this. So any one thing about this bird you can talk about. You need to take the videos. Tell your mama, papa to send it to me. I will correct the videos. You can talk in Hindi or English. There is no problem. But you at least try to talk about one tree, one flower and one bird. कोई भी एक ट्री के बारे में बात करो, कोई भी एक फ्लावर के बारे में बात करो और कोई भी एक बर्ड के बारे में बात करो. वीडियो निकालो एंड सेंड इट बैक टू मी. ओके, थैंक यू. I hope you all remember we have done these AM words. We are going to revise the AM words. AM, AM words. B-A-M, dam. H-A-M, ham. J-A-M, jam. R-A-M, ram. Y-A-M, yam. E-X-A-M, exam. C-L-A-M, clam. P-R-A-M, pram. S-L-A-M, slam. S-W-A-M, swam. Okay, now this time I want you all to tell me what each word means. हर word का meaning मेरे को चाहिए. मैंने आपको सिखाया हुआ है. I want to see if you all remember. So I want you all to tell me what each word means. कोई भी, सब लोग को ट्राई करना है, कोई भी डरेगा नहीं. अगर आपको नहीं आता है तो I will tell you what each word means. Don't worry. जितना आता है वो वर्ड्स का आप मेरे को मीनिंग वीडियो निकाल के रिकॉर्ड करके मेरे को भेजिए. And read these words also. Write it in the red and blue line book and then tell me the meanings. Now we are going to do maths. Open to your page number 3. Here the concept is above and below. Above मतलब ऊपर, below मतलब नीचे. Above, below. Above, below. ऊपर, नीचे. ऊपर, नीचे. So what are the examples that we have out here? There is a tree. On the tree there is a monkey who is sitting in one of the pictures. In another picture we have a monkey who is sitting down. So here the monkey is sitting above the tree. Here the monkey is sitting below the tree. Now what is written? Circle the monkey sitting below the tree. कौन सा monkey below the tree बैठा है? So we have to circle the monkey. Now what is there in this picture? We have a train going here and we have a person riding the bike. So we have to circle the vehicle above the bridge. These are the two different vehicles. Train is also a vehicle and the bike is vehicle. So we have to circle the vehicle which is above the bridge. मतलब bridge के ऊपर जो है उसको circle करना है. So you will circle the train. Now what is written? The object circle the object below the lamp. Lamp is above and the object, for here the object is the mug, is below the lamp. So you will circle the mug. Okay, so above means upar, below means down. Now you all can draw something which is above and below. For example, you can draw a balloon which a boy is holding. Okay, so the boy is holding the balloon. Now what I want you all to circle in this is the balloon, the object which is above the boy. Above the boy. So what is the object here above? It's the balloon. So you will circle the balloon. Similarly, in this I want you to make one more object where you will make a table and you will make a ball. So there is a table here and there is a ball. Now here I want you to circle an object which is below the table. So what will you circle? It will be the ball that you will circle. Circle the ball and color the ball. So any object you can draw. You can draw anything else also and send me. But send me 2 examples so that I know you all have understood the concept of above and below. Thank you.